Aloha, konnichiwa, I'm Noriko. Today, I'm going to show you what comes in the noodle kit, and I'm going to make a somen noodle dish from it. So let's get started. Somen is a typical summer dish in Japan, served cold with cold sauce and a variety of toppings. What you get in the kit are somen noodles, cucumber, carrot, green onions, dried shiitake, fresh ginger, squeeze of wasabi, and a jar of tsukejiru. Tsukejiru is the dipping sauce. It's made with dashi or broth and flavored with soy sauce and mirin. The one you get in the kit uses shiitake mushrooms and kombu or kelp, so it's vegan. First thing first, prep the shiitake mushroom. Rinse them and soak them in water. Put just enough water to cover the mushrooms. Place a wrap on top. Soaking in the fridge for several hours is the best way to get the flavor into the soaking liquid. Cook reconstituted shiitake in its soaking liquid, sake, sugar, and soy sauce. Simmer at low heat for about 20 minutes until the liquid cooks down to about half. I use a piece of aluminum foil as otoshibuta, which is a drop lid. Now let's get the vegetables ready. I'm cutting the cucumber and carrots in thin strips, julienne, or we call it sengiri in Japanese, meaning slicing into thin pieces. Slice the green onions and cooked shiitake too. Peel a piece of ginger and grate it. My grater is really old-fashioned, but it does the job well. I call it my mid-century retro grater. I have now prepared the toppings for the noodle. Cooked shiitake mushrooms, julienne cucumber, julienne carrots, sliced green onions, and grated ginger. When the water comes to a boil, drop the somen noodles in and give them a gentle stir. These noodles are thin, so they cook in about 2 minutes, so don't walk away. Noodles are cooked. Turn off the heat and drain. Wash the noodles well in cold running water. You can display them, as I'm doing here, in small piles. Put the noodle in your bowl. I think I like 2 of these. Now you can dress your noodle as you wish. I have added my other toppings, just the stuff I had in my fridge. This is a pickled purple daikon, sliced, obviously, and this is spam, thinly sliced spam, quickly pan fried with a little bit of soy sauce. And this is thinly sliced fish cake. I also have some slices of shiso leaves from the garden. So let me continue with the toppings. Cucumber, carrot, shiitake, purple daikon, I love this color. A little bit of spam for those carnivores. And fish cake. You can sprinkle green onion on top. And since we have it, why don't we sprinkle shiso leaves, a little bit of wasabi, and grated ginger. Now pour the tsukejiru in. It's ready. Now that the noodle's ready, it's time to eat. Before we eat, we always say, Itadakimas. The literal meaning is, I humbly receive. But it's a phrase we use to honor those who made this meal possible. including the farmers, fishermen, and the person who made this meal for us. That's me. I'm mixing everything together so all the flavors blend before I start slurping. And here I go. We call it zuzutto. Here I go. Zuzutto. Yummy. When you're done eating, don't forget to say ごちそうさまでした. Another phrase to show your appreciation for the great meal. Now go make your somen to serve in your new bowl.